Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS float. The CSS float property. How to use the CSS float property? We will use it to control the right and the left, and also we give it some value of none. Also, we just want all this together in one tutorial right here. So I want you guys to please stay put and follow along, because this is so nice when you understand this at once. We don't want to waste our time here. The following example specifies that an image should float to the right side, and by giving it right float of right, by giving our image float of right, it's going to float to the right side anywhere you kept it. So, and also this following right here specifies that an image should float to the left. So by specifying float left inside our image tag, we are going to see the image float to the left, and also by specifying the float none, we are going to see that the image is not going to float to anywhere. So let me show you how all this works together and form something nice for us quickly. This is our document right here. We are having it, and we don't have any image right here. But inside this blue box right here, I want to keep an image inside here. So let me click an image quickly so you guys can see how all this works together and form something nice for us. So let's say I'm having this box. I'm having this div element. This div element is having a lot of text. Inside it, I want to keep this image. When I give it image, I'm going to select the image. I'm giving it pineapple image, and I come here, I reload my document. Can you see the image appear here? When I scroll, can you see we are still able to see our text for the image? So let's control the image and make it smaller. So making it smaller, we can just come here and select our image element. We can just select our image tag, then give it width of what, 100 px, and give it width of 100 pixel, and reload our document. Can you see now we are having our image in this manner? So the funnest part again is that if you notice very well, we are able to scroll out up and down. Can you see? But the thing that occurs here is that we are having a lot of space right here, and we don't want it in this manner. We want our text also to wrap around the image so that everything can look beautiful and look nice. So that's why the float property comes up. So now inside our image here, we are going to specify what? Float property. When we give it float property and we give it float left, we are going to see what will happen now to our document. When we reload, can you see now when we give it float left, all the space in front of our image right here, everything clears at once, and now we are able to see the text along with the image. Everything is now looking nice. So when we specify float right, you are going to see that you are going to see what we have. When we specify float right, now the image is going to come to the right side here. Can you see the image is coming to the right side and the text is right like this? So, and the text aligns itself automatically. Can you see now we can use this drawbar to do whatsoever we want. And again, if you specify float none and give it float none, when I give it float none, you are going to see when I reload, can you see now we're having our default value in the place where the way our image looks before we gave it float property. So I want you guys to please practice, because practice makes perfect. As I did this, I want you guys also to do it like that, so you can see, you can experiment how all this works together and form something nice for us. So let me give it float right for instance, and I can give it some padding and margin. I want to give my image margin. I just want to give it margin of 12 pixel. When I give it 12 pixel margin and reload my document, you're going to see what will happen. Can you see this margin around my image? No matter how you scroll up and down, my image is looking nice. So that's what I want to give you guys. So I want us to please practice, because practice makes perfect. If it's padding we specify right here, nothing is going to happen, or something is going to happen. Let's see if something is going to happen. Let's reload. Can you see the same thing occurs? So you should note, so anytime you are controlling something, you can control it by using margin or padding also, so that you can have some spaces around it. Let's say for instance now we don't have the margin there. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Now can you see no any spaces around space around my image? But when I want to give it this margin property right here, or I can give it padding. When I reload, can you see we're having space around this, and everything is looking nice. So that's what I want to give us right here. I want us to practice, because practice make perfect. And what akorede ayofe is learning once again. Even this div element also, we can change the way it looks also, but we are not here to do that right now. When we get to the advanced level also, we are still going to be talking about this. I think you guys understand how you can create something like this now when you see it in your newspaper or whatever, anywhere you find it. So what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.